Hi Lee, it's Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. It was great chatting with you today. I'm really looking forward to our deep dive that's scheduled for next Tuesday at 7 a.m. I just wanted to make you a screencast to kind of give you an idea of what we're going to be looking at down the road and just some things to kind of have in your mind. And so let's get started. I just want to chat with you really quick about 3 things today that we're going to be paying attention to, which is content, backlinks, and citations. So I've got your website up here, which looks really great. Having all this contact stuff up here is perfect. Your phone number is right there. There's your logo, different ways to connect with you, that kind of stuff. This is nice as well. And let's see, we've got that you're offering same-day service, which is great. The area that you're serving, also great. And just kind of a little bit about you here. And so it looks pretty good going all the way down. It's very simple, pretty crisp and clean. All around a nice website, nice footer, ways to reviews, gallery, another way to contact you. All really great stuff, but what I want to touch on is what Google really is paying attention to, which isn't necessarily a great looking website. They're more so focused on content, and Google prefers that you be within 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. So I've gone ahead and I've copied your content and I put you into wordcounter.net just to give you an idea. And currently you're at about 406 words on your website on the home page. Now I've also gone ahead and added in Firefly Electric, who is currently #1 for electricians in Bozeman, and I've also put their website into the word counter, and they're at 226 words. So you're already beating them out there, but neither one of you is very close to that 1,500 word mark. So that's something that we're going to want to fix. We really want that content to be on there because Google's going to be scrolling through that. And in addition to that content, we really want to have some keywords sprinkled within there. So things like plan ahead for your electrical installation, those are great. Other things that we want in there are keywords like Electrician Bozeman. Now, if I go ahead and type that in here, I'll show you. It looks like it's not found at all on your page. And so every time someone types that into Google, Google's going to scan your website. If they don't find that on there, it's not going to help you rank. So we can fix that, like I said, sprinkle throughout the content. That'll be further down on the page. We can also put that right up here at the top in simple ways like the electrician that Bozeman loves. It's the perfect way to get it right in there and keeps it really simple. I like that you've got these other pages as well, your about page. The different services that you offer are really great too. You've got your reviews, gallery, contact, all really great stuff with your form right there and your information right there as well. It could be useful to slap your email in there too, so we can kind of discuss that also. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So Google is similar to a popularity contest. So backlinks are very important because Google wants to see a bunch of other websites vouching for your website, saying that you are trustworthy, but Google has to make sure that those backlinks are also trustworthy and relevant. So it's like a network of trustworthy websites just linking to each other, and you need to get some of those linking to you. Now it's important to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So having a backlink that's on Pizza Hut isn't going to be as valuable to Google because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. Now the tool that I use to look at backlinks is called Ahrefs, and so we'll reference this a lot. And Ahrefs is showing that you have 9 referring domains or 9 backlinks websites pointing back to you. Now I've also gone ahead and put Firefly into there as well, and they have 11 referring domains. So really they don't have too much more than you, but you can certainly add more to yours when we go in, and we'll copy every single one that they have and make sure you have the same ones as well, because if this is good enough to help Firefly Electric to rank, it's going to be perfect to help you rank as well, and then it's going to put you far above him too. All right. Now, the next thing with the importance of backlinks and having you up there at the top is this helps create organic traffic to your website. Now Firefly has 39 for organic traffic, which is about 39 people looking at their website per month in comparison to your 4. Now this is important because these are real people looking at your website, which equates to real money, and you need to keep in mind that people aren't just Googling electricians in Bozeman for fun. This is with intent and purpose, and so we want to make sure that you've got more domains and that you're rising up higher and you're showing up organically, because that's going to bring more organic traffic to your website. Now what I mean when I say organically is that you're going to be showing up as number 1 right here. Now, if you wanted to run some Google ads, those would generally show up right here if there were any happening at this time. And that's just all about bidding prices, and that's also something that we can discuss as well further down the road. Now, to finally wrap this up, I just want to talk to you about the most important part of Google, the place that gets the highest amount of traffic and the place that we definitely want to get you to, which is right here, called the Local Map Pack, or Google My Business. Now you get here from Citations, and if you're wondering what a citation is, it's just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a different directory. And if you're wondering what a directory is, that's just a listing that will allow you to put your business's information up, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Instagram, Twitter, things like that. So what we'll figure out is everywhere that Firefly Electric is in a directory, we're going to put you in that directory, and then we're going to put you in more directories in them so that you really blow them out of the water and there's no competition. So this is going to allow you to be number 1 in the map pack, and this is also going to allow you to be number 1 organically, which is just going to instill more confidence into clients when they're researching electricians within Bozeman, because you're going to pop up in both places, which just shows that you're trustworthy within Google, so they're going to know that you're trustworthy. All right, and just to do a quick recap, again, we went over some content, so we would definitely want to add more content. We can talk about maybe service areas as well. If Bozeman's where you want to stay, that's totally fine. But being in Montana, maybe looking to expand to some other towns might also help too. Those are things that we can talk about. Again, backlinks, we'll definitely get into those too, and we'll get you way more backlinks to really blow the competition out of the water, which is going to help you get more of that organic traffic. And then finally, we talked about citations, and that's just, again, getting your business name, address, and phone number into those directories. And then Google's going to scan all of those, and it's going to start to notice that you're a trustworthy source and that it's a good place for clients to go. All right, Lee, I really look forward to chatting with you more next Tuesday. I hope you find this informative. If you have any questions in the meantime, please feel free to call or text me at 406-530-7548. Thank you.